As a real estate agent, you work on the go and understand mobile productivity is crucial to your business. That's why mini tablets are ideal for you. They're powerful, lightweight, sleek, and portable. But which one is best for your real estate needs? To find out, Prowess Consulting put two mini tablets to the test, the Dell Venue 8 and the Apple iPad mini. We simulated hands-on practical scenarios that agents encounter on a daily basis and discovered the Dell Venue 8, powered by Intel, is a smarter choice for real estate agents. Why? Because it delivers faster property searches, easier file transferring, cleaner document signing, better photo editing, and a more intuitive email experience. This first demo shows what happens when we search for and map nearby properties using our local multiple listing service. As illustrated, the Intel-powered Venue 8 searches for and maps properties twice as fast as the iPad mini, with no mapping errors. By mapping errors, we mean glitches like this one on the iPad mini's map. See how the icon for this property disappears when I zoom in. I have to zoom out for it to reappear so I can select it. Now, watch the difference in time as each device pulls up the route map to the property. The next noticeable perk of the Dell Venue 8 is its back and menu buttons that make it easy to transition between screens while comfortably holding the tablet with one hand. In contrast, the iPad requires me to rotate the orientation of the tablet and return to the main menu to switch between the map and the listing screen. Our second real estate demo involves transferring files between a tablet and a PC and retrieving files on the tablet. The catch is no internet connection. You ask, why not just use cloud or email to back up files? Because an agent's constant mobility doesn't always guarantee a reliable connection, and saving a file locally can be more secure and is free. The Dell Venue 8 makes saving a local file almost too easy, especially if you are one of the 83% of realtors using a Windows operating system on your PC. The Dell Venue 8 has two easy options for direct file transferring. Use the tablet as a USB drive, or use a micro SD card. Both options require just a few clicks. Watch how quickly I can transfer my file from my desktop to the Dell Venue 8's local drive. In just a few more seconds, I can open the Pocket Cloud Explorer app on the Dell Venue 8 and retrieve that file. In contrast, the iPad USB drive on the PC only pulls up images. It does not let us create a new folder or save any files onto the PC's drive. And a micro SD card is not an option either, because the iPad doesn't have a micro SD card slot. When we open the Pocket Cloud File Manager app on the iPad, no content folders show up. To sum it up, the iPad doesn't deliver when it comes to transferring or retrieving files without a reliable internet connection. Demo number 3 is all about mobile productivity. I am signing documents on the go using an app called DocuSign, which I downloaded on both tablets. Let's start with the Dell Venue 8. I've loaded a real estate purchase contract, which is 7 pages and requires an initial and date on every page. I'll fast forward through all the pages. The final result is a clean document with no hangups or errors due to screen sensitivities. Now, let's try it on the iPad mini. The signing goes fine until page 5. When scrolling with my thumb, the screen picks up a tap and drops an initial randomly on the page. I try deleting it. When I tap the X, another initial appears, and another. I have to zoom in to get the X to register my tap to delete the initial box. These type of touchscreen sensitivity errors also occurred in about 25% of our initial tests using DocuSign on the iPad. Our fourth demo covers one of the more artistic tasks of real estate agents, taking and editing property photos. I'll highlight some of the differences between the tablets when it comes to photo ops. First of all, the Venue 8 has 37 native photo editing tools, and the iPad mini has 14. Secondly, the Dell Venue 8 has better multitask ease with an always visible photo menu. On the iPad mini, the editing taskbar disappears when I want to make an edit, and I have to click Cancel in the corner to get back to the editing menu. And finally, the entire image being edited shows up on the Venue 8 at all times. On the iPad, the image is cut off on the top and the bottom when editing. Our last demo highlights the email experience on both tablets. Because Gmail is the most used email client among realtors, agents get the benefit of using a tablet designed to work seamlessly smooth with Google software. The Venue 8's native Gmail app closely resembles the way Gmail runs on a PC or Android device. The inbox screen shows the icons and sender images, so you can quickly identify the sender. Also, the message spans the whole width of the screen, making it easier to preview and requires less scrolling. The Gmail organization tabs appear here. Finally, the Dell Venue 8's keyboard comes set up for swiping, so if you're used to that, swipe away. Gmail users will find the iPad email options are less familiar and not as user-friendly. Looking at the Gmail app on the iPad, we see it has a narrow inbox column that requires a lot of scrolling through messages. No sender icons or images show up like they did on the Dell's Gmail app. And less text appears in the email, so it's harder to preview the message quickly. Overall, the screen is more cluttered. Let's look at the native Apple email app that comes on the iPad. It looks very similar with a narrow menu column, no sender icons, and busy screen. As you can see, sometimes it takes a few times to get the sliding menu screen to recognize my touch. Finally, if you'd like to swipe a keyboard, you're out of luck, because the iPad doesn't come with swiping capability. At the end of the day, we've learned all tablets are not created equal. The Dell Venue 8, powered by Intel, is the smarter choice for real estate agents. Its fast and responsive performance and practical workflow design enables you to get your business done. With the Dell Venue 8 in your back pocket, you get an extra boost of mobile productivity, getting more done no matter where you work. So, seal the deal with the right tablet, the Dell Venue 8. To read the complete report of Prowess Consulting's real estate tablet study, visit this URL.